Just a quick one. So if you've got a Mitsubishi Magna like me, 2004, mine's a TL. If you have this problem, you've changed your battery, or for whatever reason you've had your battery disconnected, and you've got this flashing S on the dash, also a 5, but it means S, and you want to reset the odometer, what you're going to do is just put the accessories on. Doesn't need to be fully ignition, just put accessories on, and if you press mode here, it changes to W for wagon, press it again, S for sedan. So mine being a wagon, I'll press that, and then I'll press and hold the mode button to set that. And now I've got a 3.5, but if I use my arrow keys here, it doesn't, it's not changing it on mine. Anyway, these arrow keys here, I guess because I chose wagon, I only get one option. But these arrow keys here will change it from 3.0 to 3.5. So I'll set that to, because mine is a 3.5. And everything's back. Simple as that. Okay, thanks for watching.